Curiosity. One trait separates executives at growing companies from everyone else. I do hundreds of demos of REI native back office every quarter, and I noticed something surprising. The executives who are supposed to say no, say yes. Yes to a call, yes to an early breakfast, yes to a demo, yes to a random introduction from a vendor. It's a completely counterintuitive thing. Most people imagine enterprise executives sitting behind layers of assistants, buried in meetings and impossible to reach. And yes, their calendars are packed. But then a question hit me. How did they become so successful in the first place? And more importantly, how do they keep growing? Not by working harder than everyone else, no. Not by journaling their dreams and microdosing. Curiosity. That's it. The best CIOs, CEOs, CMOs, and CSOs I've met are relentlessly curious. They want to see what's new. They want to understand what's changing. They want to know what their competitors might discover before they do. Every company eventually reaches a point where execution is no longer the bottleneck. Awareness is. The opportunity already exists. The technology already exists. The vendor already exists. The only question is whether someone in leadership is curious enough to take the meeting. Think about it. A new product launch, a new revenue stream, a major cost reduction, a competitive advantage. Curiosity in the leadership seat pretty much decides whether a company grows or flattens. Crazy. Sounds too simple, I know, but watch what happens when it's missing. You are a CEO. You won the next record quarter. You hired brilliant people for every key seat. And the company is still slow or flat. Why? Because you hired experts to advance the business, and they advanced the processes instead. On paper, it reads like progress. In reality, the cash flow is thinning. The irony is that business is almost insultingly simple. You have something people need, they pay you for it, the end. The finance, the ops, the recruiting, all of that is genuinely hard. The business itself is not. And all growing companies you can think of run on sharp, nimble vendors because they bring the outside perspective, outside expertise, fresh ideas. How do they find those vendors? They mostly don't. The vendors find them and offer a demo or a breakfast or a business hike. Yes, that's the thing lately. And the only gate between a company and its next launch is whether its leaders are curious enough to take the next meeting. Stay curious.